stuck on the beach?
We're actually stuck in the mud.
Yep, definitely just two-wheel drive. All right, guys, we're rolling up on a little two-wheel drive Sequoia here. We're gonna try and get them backed up. Hi. How you doing?
Hello. Hi.
All right, so it's just two-wheel drive, right? Okay, gotcha. Let me take a look. Yep, definitely just two-wheel drive. It's got a Toyota cap in it. I don't see those very often. So what we would do, I can put a receiver in the hitch and put a rope and pull it backwards onto the concrete. Okay. All right, let me work on getting it hooked up, okay?
Thank you.
Of course. I like that Cherokee color.
Yeah, I think it's pretty.
I love that blue.
Hey, I see you all the time.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that's sick, dude. That's like a voodoo blue.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Toyota color on a Jeep? That's crazy.
I doubt it's actually voodoo blue, but it does look really close. Imagine it was. That'd be pretty funny. Bro was like, I really like that color. Let me put it on a Jeep. I am not gonna accidentally steal this. You wanna put this in the back so we don't lose it? Okay. That's for the hitch. Okay. Ready? Yeah, I just want you in there in reverse. Wait, you're in there, yep. So I'm gonna pull you just in reverse, backwards. And you're just a little bit of gas. We'll take it nice and slow until we're on the concrete, and just watch your rear view so you see where I'm at. So, you know, we don't hit each other, we take it easy, okay?
Yo, give it some gas, start going.
Awesome. See? That went great. Beautiful.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be like a 50-second go clip. You have a great day, okay? I'll get out of your way and you can back out of here.
Thank you.
Here we go, guys. Nice old couple. Got them up out of there, cleared the ramp for everybody, and we're off. See ya. Santos is John. He's stuck on the beach.
We're actually stuck in the mud.
What? What's up, guys? So, as you may have seen from the little snippet of our call, we got a Bronco in Tiger Bay. So we are on the road, headed that way. We're not too far away, and we're gonna see. I'm hoping it shouldn't be that bad. Pop it out and get them on their way. It's actually nice out today. We had like a week of like straight just rain and a lot of wind, and it was super, super nasty. So it's like 75. It's like 75 degrees today, and it's a little bit of wind, but nothing crazy. But the sun's out, and I'm happy about it. So we're getting off the concrete here, and we'll see you when we get to the vehicle. Well, hello.
Hey.
How's it going aside from being stuck? All right. Hey, this definitely looks like it would have been a fun spot.
Yeah,
We had fun for a couple seconds.
Yeah, yeah. What was your name?
Gio.
Gio? John, nice to meet you. Hi. All right, well. And you tried, you got sticks under there and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. All right. I think I'd rather pull you forward, and you have hooks. Let's see. I honestly say if I throw the bridle on the front, I can get in the dry tracks right here. And I can just pull you out back onto the road. Hypothetically, I think it should be not that bad. We'll probably want to remove some of those bigger sticks just so it's not super rough when I pull you out, but I'll work on getting it hooked up. Oh, got myself right in the mud. Oh well. All right. You guys should try with the kinetic, or should I want to? I feel like I could do it with the kinetic.
You can do it with the kinetic.
That's what I'm saying. There's plenty of hard ground right there. It looks like most of the people have just been tearing up one rut.
Yeah.
It's really pretty out here, isn't it, though?
Yeah, it's been nice. We got a couple trails before we got stuck.
Oh, yeah. All right, who's driving? All right. I'm just gonna have you in there. Wheel straight with me. Are you in 4 high or low?
High right now.
Okay. If it's spinning tire, we'll be all right. But if it's like struggling to spin them, we'll probably want low.
Yeah, it was spinning fine.
Okay.
The axle was dug like a little bit. I try to swing as much as I can.
Yeah, it's hard to that point.
Yeah, she just got us a Kennedy traction boards and shovels and everything.
That's
Just
fair.
yet.
Well,
That's our next purchase.
yeah, you'll get there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Other phone right up.
Really?
Yeah. That won't be good.
All right. We had a Tacoma that we tried to pull out a while back, and it was not so easy to get out. We spent a lot of time working on it. We ended up having like a excavator come or a...
Oh, it's dug in pretty good.
Yeah. Well, hopefully you had some fun while you were out here. That's what matters.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Exactly. Awesome. All right, guys. Should be good.
Have a good one.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
There we go, guys. Mission successful. We got the Bronco out and on its way, and we are out and on our way. See you in the next one. What's up, man?
Showing off there.
I was turning around. What was your name?
Kent.
Kent? John, nice to meet you. Alrighty, well, you got a hitch, so I think I'll just basically be able to throw a hard shackle in there, get a rope on it. Should be pretty straightforward, back you up. I'll basically get it hooked up. Once I do have it hooked up, just put it in reverse, give me a little bit of gas to help, and we'll just back it up slowly until you're back up on that concrete. I'm surprised you sunk as fast as you did.
There was a kid sitting off to the side, so I went into it pretty slow.
Yeah, no, that's fair. That'll do it. That'll do
I
it.
don't know why he was sitting like on the road.
The kids out here, man, we see it all the time. All right, here we go. Yeah, if you guys go further south, I always tell people, like, for some reason, the way the storm washes it, this north end is just nasty.
Thank you.
Yep, have a good one, buddy. My hair was so cooked. Look at a crackhead. Anyways, well, there you go, guys. We were pretty close to the concrete, so it wasn't that bad. But we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Like and subscribe to Santo, they're the best.
Subscribe to Santo and you'll see all these awesome videos.
Subscribe to Santo.